How to get a guy to like you. Most girls, especially teenagers, have their own crushes. Thus, they are searching for the popular ways that they can do to make their crush fall in love with them. One of the best ways that you can do to get a guy to like you is to make the first move. Even if you are the girl, it does not mean that you will not do anything for you to be noticed by your crush. There are lots of women out there who find their true love because they made the first move. Are you one of the girls out there who want to get a guy to like you as much as you do? It cannot be denied that you don't have the right to force the one you love to like you. But the good news is that you can make some moves for them to develop their feelings for you. If you are one of them, you are in the right place. In this post, we are going to provide you with some ways that you can do to get a guy to like you. If you want to know more about it, then keep on reading. 1. Be confident. The first thing that you should have as a girl is confidence. To make a guy to like you, you need to show to him that you are an excellent and awesome girl. To do this, you need to determine the things that make you awesome and excellent. If you don't have a high level of confidence, you need to start building it now. But building a confidence does not mean you need to be straightforward, chatty, arrogant, boisterous, or loud. Building your confidence is all about accepting your flaws and imperfections. 2. Be at your best. Without compromising the true you, you also need to make an effort to look more attractive. We cannot deny the fact that men are considered to be visual creatures. This only means that if you look great, there is a high chance that your crush will notice you. But make sure that when you are at your best, you feel more comfortable. This will also help you to improve your confidence level. 3. Let the guy know your presence. You cannot get a guy to like you if he does not know that you are around. If your crush does not notice you yet, make your first move. Do something that will make him notice you. But make sure that they will not notice that you have feelings for him. 4. Have a good sense of humor. If you have a great sense of humor, there is a high chance that you can get a guy to like you. Having a sense of humor does not mean that you need to laugh on all the things that caught your eyes or to giggle as if you are a fool. But rather, you should not consider something too seriously and laugh at someone or something who cracks a joke in front of you. 5. Make them feel that you are single. You cannot get a guy to like you if he thinks that you are already in a relationship. So, making some moves to let him know that you are not taken as your work. For instance, if the two of you are not yet friends on Facebook, then send him a friend request. One thing that you should keep in mind is making your Facebook status as single. 6. Consider making his friend in real life. Being one of the friends of a guy you like is one of the best ways for him to like you. The two of you will have the chance to know more about each other without the feeling of awkwardness. Conclusion. There are lots of ways that you can do to make a guy like you. It is okay to make the first move, but if you notice that he does not care about the things you are doing, then you should give him some space. Let him miss you. Making the first move is not bad, so go, follow the mentioned tips above, and deliver your feelings to the guy you like without being too obvious. Popular Get a Guy to Like You secret. See if it can work for you, link in the description box.